When was the last time you did nothing?
We are constantly doing something. Maybe a presentation you have to deliver, or some office work you have to finish, or it might be just some chore like paying electricity bill. Our mind always has a list of to-do things, and we are constantly adding and checking out things from that list. But it's also important to keep that list aside for few days and to do nothing. One of the way to do that is gather some friends and go to some mountain far away from the city.
This is our home for this weekend.
We are in Smoky Mountains, but similar types of cabins are available in many other mountain ranges as well. Usually the price is around $100 per night, but most of them you have to book for minimum 2 days straight. And also they will add some cleaning fee and some taxes, etc. etc. For us, this cabin did cost $330 for 2 days and 2 nights, including everything. Booking is super easy, which is online. Once you do booking, they will send you the code for the lock and you are in.
Yesterday it was so much snow on the road that our car got stuck over there. We couldn't make it up. Now looks like snow is melting a little bit, so I will try to bring the car up. Let's see if we can succeed. This is where car was stuck.
Connect a phone and try again.
And this is what we call success. Car is here.
We bought a lot of groceries as we did not want to go out for a food, and that turned out to be a very good decision. All the necessary things for cooking such as pots, plates, spoon will be already there in the cabin. Also many spices, oil, salt, etc. will be there. So cooking was mind relaxing and kind of fun experience. We went outside only once in our entire stay to visit a nearby dam. Otherwise, we just stayed in the cabin doing nothing.
Right now I'm on the top of Fontana Dam. This dam is not the tallest dam in the world. This is not the largest dam in the world. But what it is the least crowded dam. There is no one apart from us on entire dam. This one is power generation station and lake is on the other side. And there are only 3 people in this whole area. 1 and 2 are walking by. Now next stop is going over there.
And finally, it was time to go back to regular work life. But breaks like these are very important. If you're not taking breaks, then what are you doing on YouTube? Go take a break. But before you go, hit that subscribe button. That's it for today, and I will see you in the next one.